Alright, welcome to me, 010818.me. This is where you can get to know me. On January 8th, 2018, thus 010818.me, I became a real artist because I had my first ever art show opening at the Little Apple Art Supply in Aggieville Historic Shopping Center here in Manhattan, Kansas, 66502, down there on 11th and Anderson or 11th and Bluemont, take your pick. The show was up for 72 hours before a bunch of BS and politics took it down. Liars went in and scared that poor woman. The Little Apple Art Supply, they were nothing but fabulous. They gave me an opportunity to smooth it over with these professional artists that I tried to promote. But there was nothing to smooth out. I was in no way malfeasant or negligent, or I produced no malfeasance. I did the promotion. I did exactly what I told those people I would do. And they did absolutely everything opposite of what I told them not to do, and got us all in trouble with a lot of people. And the trouble's not over yet, but I'm not going to own that. They're going to own that. They're going to own that because they worked together. They conspired against a coloring contest, an artist that wanted to be an artist with other artists here to get an art scene going, to be part of the art scene. No room for me, so here I am on the internet to explain my art and what my art does, how it works, and how it's going to benefit your life if you share in the wizard's visions, which are nonverbal visions. What you're looking at right here, are we recording? Yeah. What you're looking at right there is my front door. I have some of my glitterati pieces on my front door. That photo has not been altered. That's a stable photo. It's never been photoshopped, never been touched. That's how it is. That's how it came. That's how it will come out. It's a repeatable thing. I can do this again and again, and I can get the same results. Is what I'm saying. Why is that? What's on my door? Why are your magic paintings on your door, and what kind of magic is that? Well, they're frequencies, and they're languages and frequencies, and channeled channeled visions of. They're the 2D vision of a frequency and a language that's either ancient or futuristic or both. Because we're remembering the future, right? We're back to the future in a way. That's how I see things. I'm like, I'm not psychic. I'm just remembering the future. Okay, I'm just putting my future self out there every day. Dream Warrior 1331. I go to the latitudes and the longitudes and the future and the astral. This is what I bring back, or this is what comes to me when I channel that stuff, and it comes out, and I put it on. I put it on paper with UV reflective paints and some glitter. All right. And the glitter is a long story. We'll get to that eventually. However, please notice that there's frequencies emanating from my paintings. Do you see the frequencies emanate, the energies that are in the ether that are being directed and focused? All right, it's not just your subconscious now. This is what's very interesting about this. I had no idea. I had no idea what I would learn with this, but this is from channeling my sacred feminine, downloading messages from the ether, from the universe. And I can't charge anybody for it. I don't charge anything for it, except when I charge for it. And when I charge for it, it's all donations. I give all that money away. It's $96.69 for any one of these pieces. I make a custom piece for you. I got tons of this stuff. I got boxes and boxes and boxes of this stuff. And it all came out last year. And it's all positive energy. It's all, for example, this one right here. This one, I think you may, if you followed anything I do, this one right here is I will grow and learn from my past relationships, right? These 24/7 Jupiter, Hope, I have the energies of the male and the female up here and the Mercury up here, because that's what I do. These are other complicated sigils here, but it's all positive energy onto my front door, bringing my front door positive energy. Now you can put these on your front door, you can put them on your bed, you can put them in your phone, on your device. You can download this stuff. That's what I encourage you to do. If you see something that'll work for you, download it to your device for free. Download my stuff for free. If you want it on a t-shirt, however, Well, I'll sell you the t-shirt. And yeah, I'm gonna give that money away too. But I do have to pay the sweatshop people to produce a t-shirt for you. And I do have to pay the United States Post Office to deliver the t-shirt to you. So there will be charges, of course, but the magic's free. The best things in life are free, guys. It's magic. Okay? It would be unethical for me to charge anything for my designs, which I won't. I will not. I refuse. That's my gift, and I'm sharing my gift. I'm gonna let my little light shine. I'm gonna let it 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 shine. Okay, you get it. You get it. All right. So this is what I do, and this is how I do it to it. And we're at 5 minutes 48 seconds. Do we want to say anything else? Are there any other pictures that we need to comment on here? Let's find out. Anything else that we really need to educate anybody on? Not really. Not really. Fashion Week stuff? No, Dad. Yeah, no. Just because we can. Which is, mind you, the pin or the sword. That's what we're gonna find out. Pin and the sword or the paintbrush, or I mean the pin and the paintbrush and the glitter, or the sword. And if we work against hate and we work against bullying and we work against suicide, at least we're working against something. And we're working into blessing babies every day. We are. And we're working to make magic free for everybody, and we are. And we're working to make clothes for the homeless to protect them, and we are. And we're working to make free Wi-Fi networks, global Wi-Fi networks around the world, and we are. And we're inventing clothing and clothing products that are advanced, so advanced. They're rainproof, they're tear-proof, they're mesh. What? Yeah, they're Wi-Fi clothing. Wi-Fi clothing. You can wear your Wi-Fi. What are you talking? Device wearables, wearable clothing, or a device that's a wearable. It's coming, guys. Spray-on shoes. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Spray-on shoes. It's coming. Because I was encouraged that it was a good idea. Because the fashion people here gave me enough confidence in myself, telling me I was the most fashionable person in Manhattan, Kansas. Gemini, the Glitterati series, 6996. That's Cancer, actually. People think it's 69. So 69 or 9660. Hey, 6996 or 9669. I think 9669 would work better. We're gonna have to do the numerology though. You want to do the numerology with me? You want to see how it works? Here's how it works. Here's how magic works. That's why all my stuff is a magical number. It's numerology, kind of basic numerology kind of stuff. Go ahead and let's get your calculator up here. Calculator. Numerologist, but I can't do any math. I can't balance a checkbook, but I can tell you what your numbers are. That's who I am. So 96, 69, divided by 3, because remember, guys, I have 3 charities that I support. 32, 23. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what it is. 96, 69. Sorry, guys. So that way I can divide this by 3 and it'd be 32, 23. Let's just see what just for shits and giggles, as they say. Let's see what this one will be divided by 3. Oh, that's another magic number in a way, but I like the first one better. All right, so that's what it is, guys. That's what it is. That's why I'm Dream Warrior 1331 on Skype. Skype me. Snap me. B-doll boy. I guess. Something like that. Too many social medias. And it's not very social. It's very antisocial. Very me. That's okay. It's all about me. It's about me. It's my page, not yours, right? And good for you. Good for you. There's only 2 types of people in the world. Service to self, service to others. And you're always balanced in some, there's people that are service to self 50-50. There's people that are 20-80, 80-20, 80-20, There's nothing wrong with being in service to yourself either. If you're above 50%, I would like to be a service to others, and that's what I want to do with my companies. What are my companies? Let's look at my companies right here. My new companies this year or last year, 247fashions.com. 247fashions with a Z. Okay, you know me. All right, this is where you'll be able to get the T-shirts and whatever you want. Really, it's gonna be amazing. 24/7 hotspots with a Z.com is where you get your hi-fi Wi-Fi. This is where you join the affiliate network to become your own hotspot, your own Cloud9. You'll be on Cloud9. The wizard made Cloud9. $149. You hook it up, plug and play. It'll pimp your internet. You'll forget what buffering was. You'll be so happy you'll buy more and more of them. And as people are so happy with it and they buy more and more of these, the network just grows and it'll know your device all around the world. Soon, 24/7 hotspots. That's the big vision. Here, let's go to visions. We're about net neutrality, and we're about empowering people to share their internet, the bandwidth that they're not using every month. Because the cable company doesn't call you and say, hey, you only use 20%, we're going to send you a check, we're going to refund you 80%. No. Why doesn't someone else use that 80%? If it's secure, if we make it secure, would you do it? We made it secure so you can do it. No one will know your shit, no one can get in your shit. And if they do, well, don't worry about it because there's people up here on the internet that watch that shit for us. Okay, I don't look. Don't need to. But you know, because when you sign the end user license agreement, you're gonna have a more secure internet actually too with these boxes. You will, because there's no way that they can get into your. And they sign users agreements when they press continue. You know, they have to check the user agreement, which says, "Hey, I'm not gonna terrorize or cyberstalk or kitty porn." Or that's the box right there. Boom. That's what you need to get, guys. That's what I got. Okay. Get it on the page, 247hotspots.com. We'll drop ship it to you. You'll be on Cloud9 within the week. I guarantee you. No, there it is again. Be on Cloud9 within a week. Plug and play. Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. And yes, you can put them outside too. They're powered over the Ethernet. We've got all kinds of good stuff. And it's kind of made in America. It's a Portland, Oregon open mesh company. And I work with them. I'm a developer. Helping put free Wi-Fi everywhere. And we've got developers all around the world. I'm very low on the little totem pole. It's not like I have committee meetings with these guys, but I am a developer, and that's what I do. I develop networks, free hi-fi Wi-Fi networks, okay? And they're amazing. Because why? Because I'm amazing. That's right. And you can develop your own hi-fi Wi-Fi network at your home, your business, your location, just by buying one of those boxes. If you want to help others, empower others to pimp their Wi-Fi and end buffering, because in ITVille there's no buffering. The ITVILs, the little its we don't know about. We don't even know what the buffering who, buffering what. We don't know what buffering is anymore. We forgot there's such thing existed. Why? Because we're on Cloud9. We're on hi-fi Wi-Fi. Because we went to 24/7 hotspots with Z.com and bought that box for $149, and now we're buying another couple more because that shit's really good. That's the shit right there. We need all those boxes around the world. We need those. We need a network like that. So that's what we do. So anytime you see our logo, this is Jupiter right here, and that's the Wi-Fi, and that's 7 on there. 247. Isn't it cute? That's why I do logos. As you will see right here on any of my pages, right here, Alpha to Omega A to Z, detailing.xyz to the stars at astria.eg.com. Where's another one? No, that's audio gnosis. Oh, do it to it. Magic. iTransZ.me. That's my site too. That's gonna be in my blog where I talk about what I went through last year. And that's how we're recording right now. So we got 1 minute. What do we want to talk about in this one last minute? Anything special? Today is March 30th, 2018. Tomorrow they will be burying Miss Brown, who in Topeka, Kansas, who has passed away. She was the little girl who was at the center of the Brown versus Topeka Board of Education case. Very large United States Supreme Court case. Very important civil rights case here, right here in Kansas. Brown versus Topeka Board. She passed away. They'll be burying her tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. Easter Sunday. Well, actually 2 days. Sunday. Visitations from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And they'll be burying her at 7 p.m. on Easter Sunday. How appropriate. And April Fool's Day. Perhaps even more. Perhaps. I know a lot about this stuff. It's not funny. It's not funny, buddy.